Hi, in front of me is OPPO A79 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Firstly, open one of your apps that you wish to use in this view and access it in the background. In order to do that with Trick's navigation, use this button with 3 lines. Now tap on those 3 dots at the top right corner of your app and select Floating Window. Then click on this tiny one. As you can see, now I can use my app in this little window. In order to move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it. If you wish to, you can always resize it by holding one of its corners, selecting the perfect size and letting go. If you wish to make it tiny again, click on Home button. Then access it by clicking on it. In order to use this app in full screen view, click on the top left corner of it. And to close it, select top right one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!